Hello and welcome to HVAC and Energy News presented by Skollenberg University of HVAC and MEP. Well, these are the hot industry news of the week you must know. LG Electronics USA has received 2021 USGBC Leadership Award from the US Green Building Council for the company's LEED Platinum certified LG North American headquarters campus in New Jersey, USA. The US $300 million project is a showcase for environmentally friendly design, has achieved a leadership in energy and environmental design, that is LEED Platinum new construction certification. It's the highest level rating that distinguishes the buildings that promote employee well-being and energy and water efficiency and preserve open space and ecosystem. Congratulations to LG for this initiative. Well done. Mr. Dave Regnery has taken over charge of a CEO, Chief Executive Officer of Trane Technologies. Congratulations, Mr. Dave. He is a global innovator and he has taken over the charge on 1st of July 2021. He has succeeded Mr. Mike Lamach, who is now serving as the Executive Chair of the Board of the company. Congratulations to Trane for the new leader. Well, according to the recent study conducted by Persistent Market Research, global sales of mobile refrigerators are expected to top US $2.9 billion by 2031. They expect the market to register a healthy CAGR of around 8.3% over the forecast period of 2021 to 2031. Mobile refrigeration is a concept built around providing a refrigerator and freezer capacity in a portable format, which you can carry along with you. Multifunctional products are predicted to increase in popularity as the number of internet users continue to rise across the world, says an analyst at a Persistent Market Research. So the future belongs to the portable HVAC products. Be prepared for it. Carrier has recently launched a new Toshiba Carrier touchscreen controller in North America for VRF system, that is variable flow systems. It is capable of connecting up to 128 indoor units to one easy to use interface. This new touchscreen controller allows building managers to access their entire VRF system from one central location, eliminating the need to monitor the units individually. Carrier is a part of a global corporation, the leading global provider of healthy, safe, sustainable and intelligent building and a cold chain solution. Commenting on the launch, Ritesh Shah, VRF product manager Carrier, said, "Our new touchscreen controller puts the power of an organization and the efficiency at the fingertips of our customer. Not only can building managers connect up to 128 units to one control, they can also easily monitor the energy usage as well as get real-time data on system performance and settings efficacy." This is great news from the world of VRF. Next news is coming from WELL, the International Well Building Institute, that is IWBI, has recently announced the upcoming launch of a WELL Performance Rating, a new designation rewarding building owners and operators for using measurable and validated building and human performance metrics to gain insights into the health and well-being of the people inside and enhance condition in their spaces based on those insights. That's a great news. The system thinks of the human. The rating will consist of the features drawn from the WELL building standards, it is WELL, along with the new pathways and beta features that will be informed by the IWBI Performance Advisory. The WELL Performance Testing Organization, that is PTOS, and a host of the industry leaders in smart building technologies. It's a great news. These are the news of the week. Let's meet soon with a brand new episode covering the latest developments, then latest updates and the latest advancement in the field of HVAC and MEP as well as in energy. So let's stay tuned, stay connected, stay updated, stay safe, stay healthy and stay ahead. Good day. If you have any important news from your industry or sector or your company to share which would help all of our industry and let them know about your the development in field of energy, then contact us on 877 944 0200 and we may feature that news. Stay connected, stay healthy. Once again, bye.